In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Jira dashboards with rich filters. To begin, you will first create or open the Jira filter that your dashboard will be based on. Go to Work Item Search in Jira and click into the search field. Type the keyword highlight to build a simple search you can reuse. As you type, keep an eye on the results list to confirm that the issues shown match what you expect. When you are happy with the search, click Save. This is important because rich filters rely on an existing saved Jira filter as the foundation. After saving, open that saved filter again so you can confirm it is available and ready to be selected later. Next, you will switch over to Rich Filters. In the top menu, go to Apps, then choose Rich Filters to open the Rich Filters Management area. Click Create Rich Filter. Enter a clear, recognizable name for your rich filter. It helps to pick a name that matches the dashboard or team that will use it, because this name will appear in Gadget Settings. After naming it, choose the base Jira filter. Click the filter selector and find the saved filter you just created. Select it, then click Create. At this point, you have a rich filter that is connected to your saved Jira filter, which means it can control what your dashboard gadgets display. Now you will make it smart by adding a Smart Filter component. Open your new rich filter configuration and go to the Smart Filters tab. Click Create Smart Filter, give it a name such as Warnings, and then click Create. Inside that Smart Filter, click Create Smart Clause. This is where you add the JQL that defines what the button or drop-down option will show, such as filtering for high-priority items that are not closed. Assign a color to the clause so it is easy to recognize at a glance on the dashboard controller. Finally, use it on a dashboard by adding the Rich Filter Controller gadget to your Jira dashboard. In the Gadget settings, select your new Rich Filter. Once saved, your Smart Filter appears in the controller as a drop-down, and you can apply it to dynamically filter the dashboard content. That covers everything you need to know.